Little on some Meshnee go. Uh-oh. Let's go!
Today, we are going to do Eruption of Coke experiment.
What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna do an experiment, a Coca-Cola experiment. It's very messy experiment. That's why I come outside in the pot. For this experiment, we only need two things. We need Coca-Cola and Mentos. So, how to do? We open the cover slowly, and then put down and take the Mentos candy and put inside fast as you can. Are you ready to see? I'm gonna do fast as I can also. You also can try this experiment at home. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
Do you wonder how the drink can spill from the bottle like a rocket?
Firstly, when added Mentos into the Coke drink, the Mentos will sink to the bottom of the bottle. In return, the Mentos creates more bubble, and pushing the Coke drink out as a rocket.
Bye everybody, try at home. I love you, bye. Oh, subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell notification. And welcome to Meshnee channel.